Hey guys, I just wanted to go over quickly the grading process, and yeah, this is up to the drivetrain quality control. So you're going to see what my process is like for grading, um, and that way, hopefully, it answers some questions for you and ways that you can get easy points. Okay, so I have copied one of your robots in this file here called test student virtual clawbot copy. All right, um, and let's go back to here. This is my rubric for it. Okay, so one of you will be like, "Oh, that's my exact rubric." Okay, so student has a 71 out of 100. Let's dig into the details here. So grounded, which is asking for the main assembly has one piece and one piece only that is grounded and keeping everything else in place. Well, they got a pour on this. All right, which if you don't know, 10 out of 20, a 50% in my class, that's like the lowest grade you can get. Okay, which is not a good thing. You still fail if you get consistently 50%, right? Because to pass, you have to have a 59.5. So let's see how we can fix that. If we come to this, what I mean is I can grab this thing and shake it around. I should not be able to do that, all right? So an easy fix would be for me to just take the bumper, which is the part you're supposed to ground, and I do mention this in one of those early videos. I would find that bumper. It's this piece, edit it, ground, all right, and say capture position, and boom. So now if I try to move this thing, look, I can't move it anywhere. All right, it's grounded. That's what you need to have, okay? So that would be taken care of, all right? And you'd be able to say, hey, Fagan, I fixed this, and ask me to regrade it, okay? So you'd say, I need the drivetrain quality control graded again because I fixed this thing, all right? But don't do that for every little thing you do. Wait till you've changed all of it and then ask me to regrade it. Let's dig into the other details. Home view. All right, so this says good. So that's 17 out of 20. Still a little off. Ask me how to fix this sometime if you want full credit for this criterion. All right, well, the home view, basically, it's a good fit to view isometric showing the clawbot's true top, front, right sides, as in example from page 1 of this module. Okay, so you could look at that if you needed to. This is really close, but if you look from the right side, see how it's slanted? So the fix for this would be actually to do something like this. We're going to do look at, okay, and we're going to click this, any top surface. So I could click this, I could click this. I'm going to click that right there. All right, and I'm going to, well, I was going to try to rotate it. Doesn't look like it wants me to do that. So I'm going to set current view as the top now. All right, so now if I go back to my home view, it's still going to be a little wonky, but if I click right on this corner here, yeah, now it's fixed, okay? Although I'm not done yet. For me to get the credit, because when I click home, watch what's going to happen. It's going to shift just a little bit. All right, we don't want that. We want this right there perfectly to be the home view. And it says fit to view, right? So now that I fixed that, I would say set current view as home and fit to view. Okay, perfect. So now any which way I turn it, if I click that home, it goes back to this. This is the thumbnail as well. So that has been fixed, all right? So I would be able to fix this. Parts present. It's a good score, 17 out of 20. You have most of the parts you need. So they have the wheel subassemblies in here. You're just missing the driver gear subassembly. Okay, so this student is missing the driver gear subassembly that's going to connect these wheels to each other on the respective sides. Okay, so that's what they're missing there. Joints. Okay, so they got a poor 10 out of 20. Well, they get points just for having these things in here. All right, so that's good for them. But problem is they need to have them joined to the main assembly, right? So hey, at least they got their parts present points. Okay. Once they fix that and get these joined, they can get full credit for this. Finally, efficiency. So it says good. So it's 17 out of 20. 1 to 3 extraneous or unneeded steps jump out. All right, I can bump this up once this stage is finished. Just remind me. Well, to be truthful, this student actually doesn't have any extra steps that they've made. It's kind of hard to see behind this thing. This is very efficient, but I can't give full credit until I see you finish this step, right? I need to see that when you finish this step with all the parts it's supposed to have, that you've not wasted like extra steps down here. All right, you've done it as efficiently as possible. Okay, so that's a little look into the grading process and like how you can fix it.